always trying my best in the ring, to give more impression to the people.
He is known for his lightning-fast hand speed, incredible footwork, and relentless aggression in the ring.
He had everything. I was amazed at the speed and power together.
Throughout his career, Pacquiao has faced numerous top-tier opponents, including Floyd Mayweather Jr., Juan Manuel Marquez, Miguel Cotto, Marco Antonio Barrera, and De La Hoya, among others.
And he's generating excitement not seen in the ring since Mike Tyson, Sugar Ray Leonard, or Muhammad Ali.